I think I bruised a couple of ribs, nothing that will stop me from attempting to pitch again tomorrow.
Those falls can end up in a brutal impact against the cliff. Maybe you should take a day off tomorrow. Let your ribs heal.
But you're so far ahead, I'm letting you down. What if a storm blows in? We've been planning for this for 5 years. More than 5.
Forecast is clear. Don't worry about it. Try adjusting your footholds. I know you'll do better tomorrow.
Scene 2. But Georgian did not succeed the next day, or the next. On the evening of January 7th, the two climbers were back in camp on the portaledges.
I've tried 10 times. Maybe you should go ahead and finish without me.
After all these years of planning and practicing, no way! We set out to do this together.
We're already at pitch 20. Now you're just waiting for me. Every time I slip, it delays our progress and makes it more likely that weather will change.
Forget about the weather. You need to take some time off to let your fingers heal.
The tape keeps slipping off when I grab those two handholds, and the edges are so sharp. I still think you should go ahead without me.
We're going to ascend the last pitch and top out together. Our families and all of our friends will be waiting. You just have to focus and get past Razor's Edge.
Well, it's just two handholds. Maybe there's a different kind of tape I can use.
Scene 3. After 2 days of rest, Georgeson finished pitch 15 without falling. Then he began racing to catch up with Caldwell. In the late afternoon of January 14th, the two friends are together, climbing the last section of the wall.
This is it, the last pitch.
Incredible. The first time I climbed at Usenite, I was hooked, and since then I've been on EL Cap 60 times. It's like food and water to me. To think I'm finally going to reach the top of the Don Wall. We both are.
Back on pitch 15, I had my doubts.
But you made it. And now we're going and now we're here together. What an achievement. Let's go to the top and celebrate.
Oh,
Just after 6 p.m., Caldwell and Georgeson reached the top of the Don Wall. They were greeted by friends, family, and reporters who had hiked around the back of the mountain to get there. Climbers had accomplished a goal most people thought was impossible, and they had done it together.